Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to reset Android phone from the previous owner. So in order to reset the Android phone, you'll have to perform factory reset. For that, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. In the settings interface, what you have to do is simply find the option for system and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the system interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Over here you'll be able to find the option for reset options. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you want to reset the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, simply tap on the first option, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. If you want to reset the app preferences, tap on the option reset app preferences. But if you want to reset your whole Android phone, for that what you have to do is tap on this option, erase all data, factory reset. Keep in mind, when you factory reset the phone, all of your data will be erased, including the apps, photos and other files. Before resetting, if you need any important data, you can consider backing it up. So if you're okay with that, simply tap on the option erase all data, factory reset. Right now, I'm not going to reset my phone. But when you tap on that option, you might have to confirm the factory reset by entering your PIN or password. You might also encounter FPR, that is factory reset protection sometimes. In that case, all you have to do is enter the Google account credentials of the previous owner and you'll be able to factory reset your phone. After that, the reset process will begin. Once the reset is complete, your phone will restart and you can set it up as a new device. So that is how you reset Android phone from previous owner. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.